Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the exact presentation in the PowerPoint mobile app so you don't edit the wrong file. Once done, switch to thumbnail or slide sorter view to see every slide. This makes selection reliable. Tap and hold the thumbnail of the slide you want to delete. That long press signals selection mode. You're doing this because thumbnails prevent accidental deletions and keep context. Make sure the slide's content matches your intent before proceeding to the next action. Now that the slide is selected, look for the trash icon or the three-dot menu to access delete. Apps place this differently on iOS versus Android, so scan the toolbar. Tap delete and read the confirmation prompt. This prevents accidental loss. Confirm to remove the slide from the deck. The app usually supports an immediate undo shown at the bottom, so tap undo if you deleted the wrong one. You do this to keep control and recover quickly in case of mistakes. Finish by saving or ensuring autosave. Sync the deletion to your cloud storage so other devices reflect the change. If you can't find delete, make sure you're in edit mode rather than view. Alternatively, update the app because older versions hide features. If deletion behaves oddly for synced files, check the cloud version history to restore a previous copy. You do these checks to prevent data loss and keep versions consistent across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.